Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to clear app data on Skype app on an Android device. Well, knowing how to clear app data on Skype can be helpful for troubleshooting issues with the app, such as excessive storage usage, app crashes, or performance problem. Clearing the app data can also remove cache files and temporary data, which may improve the app's performance and responsiveness. So how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open Skype app on your device. And in this page, click your profile icon at the top left corner. After that, select Settings option here. Well, so now tap on Privacy menu. And then choose Clear App Data option. Click this to continue the process. Well, that's the tutorial on how to clear app data on Skype app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.